If you purchase this DVD, you're about to learn how to do a complete traditional shortcut. Welcome to Yendall Academy. You're going to need 28-piece Janet collection and 8-inch sensual gold pat yaki to complete the style. First, you're going to cut the cap from around your customer's head. Make sure to get the access cap from behind the ear. Very important. Your cap should look exactly like this all the way around. Make sure you have your 30 seconds bonding glue. Ladies, make sure you download How to Protect Your Client's Hair. It's a digital download. Your next step, what you're going to do is apply the glue to your customer's cap. Don't worry, the glue will not seep through to affect your customer's hair. You're going to take your 28-piece Janet collection. Right here, I have 2 tracks of the shortest 28-piece track, and I'm going to lay it from behind the ear to the nape of the back of the head, all the way to the other side of the ear. And ladies, please keep in mind, once you watch the digital download that comes along with this DVD on how to protect your client's hair, no glue will seep through to affect your customer's hair whatsoever. In fact, when your client removes her cap, it's going to come off like an actual wig. But the cap will stay on your customer's head for as long as a month very securely. Keep in mind, to remove the cap, you will need alcohol up to 75%, all the way up to 99% of alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Spray around the perimeter of the cap to remove the actual cap itself. And these are only side notes that I'm giving you, ladies, so make sure you take note of it. You'll lay each track as you see here in the video. Now, I use double track only because I want the tracks to become very close. Now, if you evaluate the 28-piece Janet collection, you can see that the track itself is very thin. So the trick to have a very flat foundation of a shortcut is to make sure you double your tracks and make sure they are very close. So when you cut the hair down, none of the cap will show. Just make sure when you're bundling the tracks in, make sure you bundle it exactly how you see that I'm bundling it on the customer's head right now. Curve your tracks towards the face. That way, if the customer has a low hairline, you're not shaving her hair or gluing the tracks onto her hair. So this is how you save your customer's edges, by curving the tracks. Do not, I repeat, do not give your customer any tape off the sideburns unless they ask you to, or any hair off the back. This will help your customer in the long run. When she removes her cap, she will have all of her sideburns in her nape hair. This step is very important. This is going to make you move a little fast. Spray your 8-inch sensual yaki hair. Spray the tracks only. This is going to help the process move a little bit more fast, help the glue to stick to the tracks a little bit more better. And this is a secret that I've been doing for years to help me move a little faster. You're going to put the glue at the top of your custom